Today I'm trying to introduce the Uni-T UT33C. Um, this multimeter are really cheap in the market. As we know, we have UT33C and UT33D. The difference between C and D is C have a temperature function, but D don't have the temperature function. And just just let us know the the price of Unity UT33 series is lower than 15 US dollar. It's really cheap model. Okay, so today we are trying to improve and make sure is this information from this multimeter can be trusted or not. Okay, today we are using the calibrator is um, Druck DPI620G. This calibrator can also be measured and can be measured and source. Okay, it can be source and measure. It can be two function. Okay, in this 620G, it can output voltage, current, resistance, hertz, and also temperature information. Okay, today we are try to give to output different information. Okay, first we can output a millivolt. Okay, here is millivolt and click check. Okay, here is function setting, and back to the multimeter. We switch to yes millivolts. So let's see. We can see here. See here. Okay. The millivolt. You can see here. It can provide 2,000 millivolts. So let's try it. Okay, let's try to output 2 millivolts. You can see the multimeter. We can switch to more smaller scale. Here you can see here is 1.9, and here's we output 2 millivolts. We can measure 1.9 result. Is well. Okay, and I switch to 1 millivolt, and we can get about 1 millivolt. And let's try different output information. We can try to give 0.5. No, too small. 0.5. Yes, it's okay. Here and change to 0.1. Cannot. Okay. 0.2 is seems like it's also is okay for this price multimeter. And 0.3 we can get 0.2. Okay, let's try it to change to about 2000. Okay, 2000. Change to output 1500 millivolts. Can get about 1500 millivolts. It is okay for me, I think. Okay, let's try to give the other different information. We can change to volt, and before change we have to turn off the multimeter first. Okay, and click check. Okay, function setting, and we let's see how can it provide. It can provide 20 volt. So in the multimeter we switch to 20 volts to 20 scale here. Okay, try 1 volt. Get about 1 volt. It is okay for me. And change to 15 volts. Here is 15 volts, about 15 is okay, and try to 20. It should be overload. Yes, here is overload because of scale issue. Okay, change to 200. Yes, it's 20. 20 is meet. Okay. Is anode voltage test. Let's try it. About how about a resistance? Okay, we can try resistance. Okay, turn it off first, or we will burn out the multimeter. Click check. Okay, setting. Let's see what is the maximum ohms. Here is 4K. 4K. So the maximum is 4K. So here we switch to 20K, and let's from largest resistance. Okay, let's try 4K. Here we get is 3.98. 3.98 is nearly 4K ohms, and let's try it. 2K, and yes, I think it's good for me, and switch to about, let's try 1,800 here. 1,800 I think is also about 6 ohms difference. Okay, and let's try it more smaller. Okay, about, let's try it 100 ohms. 100 ohms, and here to change more smaller, it's 99.6. A little difference. Okay, change to 10 ohms. 10 is okay, it's great, and 5, great, and 2, great, 1, great. Let's try more smaller, 0.5, great, and 0.4, okay, and 0.2, okay, it's perfect, and 0.1, wow, good, and let's try to more smaller, 0.8, oh, because the number we cannot see the under this number, so let's try it about 0.5, sorry, 0.05. Well, you can see here to move to 0.1 and 0.04, it should be 0, or let's more smaller, 0.3. Yes, it jumped to 0.1, I think. Okay, yes, it's about 0 or 1, jump like this information. 0, should be 0. Okay, great. Okay, here is today's demo, and in this video we are trying to improve how is the Uni-T UT33 series information are correct or not, or can we trust or not. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any question, please put your comment under the under this video. Thanks.